Oh, good day everyone. Today we are going to do a little bit of an unboxing here. We are going to look at one of the family of our checker line. This is going to be the LEAKChecker. There is a number of other checkers in the checker line, and we'll talk about these in a little bit of detail. But the primary one we're going to focus on today is the LEAKChecker. So the other ones in the family are the LEAKChecker, the TrapChecker, the tightchecker, and then we have the UltraChecker as well. First thing we see here, I'm just going to move this to one side. We have a user manual. So this goes through the instruction on how to use the device. Multiple different languages here, so pretty straightforward. We have the LEAKChecker itself. You can see here, very small and compact, fits nicely in the palm of my hand, and it has an integral flexible sensor here. So this is a flex sensor. Great thing about this is it can be manipulated to get in and around tight spaces around the back of pipes. And the LEAKChecker is really a great tool for doing any airborne inspection, but really goes very nicely for doing compressed air leak audits, which can be used in conjunction with our free downloadable app, the Leak Reporter, which you can get from the iPhone store or the Android store. So that is the LEAKChecker itself. LEAKChecker system also includes a set of Peltor 3M or 3M Peltor headphones, and these plug directly into the bottom of the LEAKChecker here. So very nice and easy, simple to use. We also provide an interface cable. If there's any changes required to the firmware of the device, we would use this connected to a laptop or a PC. A couple of other things that come with the system. The LEAKChecker is battery operated, so we do supply a couple of AA batteries, and I would recommend getting some rechargeable batteries to use with your LEAKChecker. And then lastly, we provide you with a nice little screwdriver set to allow you to get in to change the batteries. So that's our LEAKChecker. Thanks very much.